In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. المشكاة Educational Group greets you and hope you the best of luck. The English Department, Mr. Sabri Lethi, will present this lesson to you. Full Plus 2, Module 3, Lesson 3d, the second part of Lesson 3d, A Great Time, page 43. Okay guys, let's start our lesson, Module 3, Lesson 3d, A Great Time, page 43. I want all of you to open your books, page 43. Page 43, A Great Time. First thing, we will start with the objectives of this lesson. Number 1, the first objective, to give students practice in differentiating between the past simple and the present simple. The second objective, to revise the present simple and the past simple through examples and exercises. Number 3, to give students practice in listening for guests. So in this lesson we will have listening. Number 4, to give students practice in listening for specific information. The last objective of this lesson, number 5, to give students the opportunity to practice the vocabulary, structures and functions presented in this lesson through pair work. So these are the objectives of our lesson today. The first part in our lesson today is grammar, as you will see. The first part, grammar, present simple and past simple. I'm going to make a quick revision on the present simple and the past simple. We will start with the present simple, and as you know, you studied it in the first term and also in the second term. As I used to do with you, we start with any lesson with 5 points. You have to learn 5 points about any tense. The present simple tense, number 1 is the form. What is the form of the present simple? Okay, it is formed of the verb, or we can say the bare infinitive or the first conjugation. So these are all are true. The verb adding s or es or ies to the verb with he, she, it. The third person singular, he, she, it. So the present simple is formed of the verb. We add s or es or ies to the verb with he or she or it. Example, I play football every day. Okay, my dear students, where is the tense here in this example? Yes, very good, excellent, play. So this is the verb. We can't add s here because play, the subject is I play. Okay, another example, he plays football every day. So the verb here plays, we add s because the subject is he. Number 2, use. What is the use of the present simple? It is used in repeated actions. Number 1, repeated actions, habits or routines. And all these things you have learned in the first term. Repeated actions, habits or routines. Example, we always get up at 6 o'clock. So the tense here is get up and the word which is a key word, always. Number 3, question. As we said at the beginning of the lesson, we have to learn 5 things about any tense. Form, use. Number 3, question. How can we form a yes-no question on the present simple? Who can say? Yes, we get the helping verb do or does. Do or does. Plus subject, plus verb, plus complete. if the subject is I, you, we, they, we use do. But if the subject is he, she, it, we use does. Okay, guys, please, do you understand me? Example. Do you play football every day? Do you play football every day? The answer is yes, I do, or no, I don't. Another example with does. Does it like milk? Does it like milk? No, it doesn't, or yes, it does. Okay, number 4, we will move to number 4, negative. How can we make negative in the present simple? Who can say? Yes. Subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb. So we use don't or doesn't plus the verb. Example. The example here in the affirmative sentence, I play football every day. Who can make it negative? Yes, I don't play football every day. Another example, he plays football every day. Who can make it negative? He doesn't play football every day. Number 5, the fifth point on the present simple, which is the most important point, is the key words, the indicators. All the words you can see in the sentence and makes you know that is the present simple. Repeat after me. Always, often, usually, sometimes, never, every. So these are the adverbs of frequency. Always, often, usually, sometimes, never, every. Also on Fridays at the weekend. So this is the present simple in brief. Number 1 form, use, question, negative. Number 5, key words. Okay guys, please, my dear students, let's move to the second part of the grammar today, which is the past simple. As we said in the present simple, we will say in the past simple. Number 1, form. What is the form of the past simple? It is formed of the second conjugation of the verb. Second conjugation. As you know, the verb in English has 3 conjugations. First conjugation, which is the present simple. Second conjugation, which is the past simple. But here there is a point. How can we get the second conjugation of the verb? There are 2 ways of the second conjugation. The first one, regular verbs. Regular verbs. We add d or ed or ied to the verb with the regular verbs. Okay, here I'm going to give you a lot of examples on the regular verbs. Live, lived, we add d. Love, loved, we added d. Visit, visited, we added ed. Play, played, we added ed. Ask, asked, we added ed. Start, started, we added ed. Try, tried. Here we added ied, but we cross out y. Okay guys, number 2, irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, you have to learn them by heart and memorize them, please. Do, did. Go, went. See, saw. Have, had. Get, got. Sit, sat. For more regular verbs, go to page 69, please. This page has a lot of irregular verbs you have to learn, please. Okay, we will see an example on the form of the past simple. I play or played. I played football yesterday. So where is the tense here? Played. Play, played. I played football yesterday. We went to the zoo last week. Where is the tense here? Where is the past simple here in this sentence? Yes, very good. Excellent. Went. Go, went. So went here is a second conjugation, but it is an irregular verb. We went to the zoo last week. So went here is the past simple. Number 2, guys, use. What is the use of the past simple, please? It expresses an action that started and finished in the past. This is an only one use of the past simple. It expresses an action that started and finished in the past. Example: they watched the match last night. They watched the match last night. Ahmed started the game 2 hours ago. So started, watched, these are verbs in the second conjugation, and this is the past simple. Okay, guys, we will go to number 3, the point number 3 on the past simple, which is question. How can we form a question on the past simple? We use only one helping verb. What is the helping verb of the past simple, please? Aha, did. Did plus subject plus verb. Did plus subject plus verb. Okay, example. Did you play football yesterday? Did you play football yesterday? So how can I answer this question? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Another example. Did Ahmed watch TV last night? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Okay, let's move to number 4, the point number 4 on the past simple, which is negative. How can we make negative in the past simple? Okay, we get, very good, subject plus didn't plus verb. This space is complete. Subject plus didn't plus verb, not the second conjugation here. We get didn't plus verb. Also in the question, did plus subject plus verb, not the second conjugation. As I said, did you play, not played. Did you play? Because after did we get the verb. After didn't we get the verb. Okay, example. I didn't play football yesterday. I didn't play football yesterday. Another example. We didn't visit the zoo last week. We didn't visit the zoo last week. The last point, which is keywords. What are the keywords of the past simple? Repeat with me, please. Yesterday, last, ago, once, in the past. In plus past year. So these are the keywords of the past simple. These words, if I saw one of them in the sentence, immediately I know that this sentence in the past simple. Yesterday, last, ago, once, in the past, in plus past year. Okay, guys, let's go to our lesson today. We will have exercise on this grammar rule. Open your box, please. Circle the correct words. This exercise, which is below the grammar rule. Concentrate with me. Read with me. My brother goes or went out with his friends every Thursday. So this sentence contains every. Every is a keyword for what? Present simple or past simple? Very good. Every for present simple. So we will choose goes. Okay, number 2. Yesterday, James buys or bought a rabbit and takes or took it to school. This sentence is very simple and easy. Why? Because it starts with yesterday. Here, automatically, yesterday, we know that the verb, the tense here of the verb will be past simple. So, yesterday, James buys or bought, excellent, bought a rabbit and takes or took, very good, took it to school. Our teacher isn't or wasn't very happy, wasn't very happy, very good. Number 3, do or did. Here we speak about question. How can we form a question on the present simple and how can we form a question on the past simple? Do or did. You watched the documentary on TV last night. Last night. So this question contains a keyword for what? Last night. For present simple or past simple? Last night. For what? Yes, very good for past simple. So we will choose did. Very good. The answer, if I said, did you watch the documentary on TV last night? No, I didn't. Very good. I never. This is complete, but it is another sentence. I never watch or watched documentaries. I never here for what? Never for present simple. So we will choose I never watch. Very good. Excellent, boys. The last one, Alice visited or visits Egypt in 2005. So this 2005 is a past year, a year which is passed away. Okay. Alice visited or visits Egypt in 2005. Excellent. Visited. This is past simple. She has or had a great time. She had. This is a past simple. And we will have more exercises on this rule, past simple and present simple, in the workbook, but after some time at the end of our lesson. Okay, let's move to another, the second part of our lesson, which is part number 4. Listen. You have to listen, guys. Listen carefully. Listen to 3 people talking. We have 3 people talking about funfair rides. They talk about funfair. And you know funfair, which is some entertainment games in the funfair rides and match. Okay. Listen, please.
4. Listen. Mark.
Yesterday, I went to the funfair with my sister Roberta. All the rides were good and we had a great time, but we both liked the last one the best. We were the only people there, so I chose a red car and my sister got in a blue one. We went around for about an hour bumping into each other. In the end, my whole body hurt and I had bruises, but we laughed a lot. It was something else.
Adam.
I'm not really a big fan of...
Mark, please. We will take each one. Mark. Very good. Bumper cars. Okay, let's complete listening.
Funfairs. But last week my cousin wanted to go to the funfair in the city centre, so I went with him. There was one ride that my cousin liked a lot. I don't remember the name of the ride. It was something like Space Train or something, but he enjoyed it very much. It went very fast, up and down, and everyone on it screamed the whole time. My cousin went on it again, but I decided not to. No thanks. I was scared. I just sat and watched him.
Fahad.
Okay. Adam. What will we choose for Adam? Roller coaster. Yes, very good.
Brother and I went on a great ride at the funfair yesterday. Our favourite is usually the roller coaster, but we didn't go on it. There were too many people waiting. The ride was called Splash. It started slowly, but it got faster near the end. Luckily, I didn't get very wet, but my brother did. He didn't mind though. It was a hot day.
Okay. Fahd? Yes, very good. Water slide. Okay. Mark, bumper cars. These are funfair rides. Mark, bumper cars. Adam, roller coaster. Number 3, Fahad, water slides. Okay, guys, let's move to another part, which is B. Listen again and answer the questions. Here.
4. Listen. Mark.
Yesterday, I went to the funfair with my sister Roberta. All the rides were good and we had a great time, but we both liked the last one the best. We were the only people there, so I chose a red car and my sister got in a blue one. We went around for about an hour bumping into each other. In the end, my whole body hurt and I had bruises, but we laughed a lot. It was something else.
Okay. Mark, who is Roberta? Who can answer? Yesterday I went to the funfair with my sister.
Yesterday,
Roberta.
I went to the funfair with my sister Roberta.
Who is Roberta? Mark's sister. Okay. Number 2. Did Mark have fun? All the rides were good. All the rides were good and we had great time. We had great time. Did Mark have fun? Yes, he did. Okay, listen to complete about Adam.
Adam.
I'm not really a big fan of fun fairs, but last week my cousin wanted to go to the fun fair in the city centre, so I went with him. There was one ride that my cousin liked a lot. I don't remember the name of the ride. It was something like Space Train or something, but he enjoyed it very much. It went very fast, up and down, and everyone on it screamed the whole time. My cousin went on it again, but I decided not to. No thanks. I was scared. I just sat and watched him.
Okay, Adam, number 3. Did he enjoy the ride? Did Adam enjoy the ride? My cousin went on it again, but I decided not to. No thanks, I was scared. Here we can know the answer. Did he enjoy the ride? No, he didn't. Okay, question number 4. What did Adam do when his cousin went on the ride again? I just sat and watched him. I just sat and watched him. So what did Adam do when his cousin went on the ride again? He sat and watched him. Okay, listen to complete about Fahad.
Fahad.
My brother and I went on a great ride at the fun fair yesterday. Our favourite is usually the roller coaster, but we didn't go on it. There were too many people waiting. The ride was called Splash. It started slowly, but it got faster near the end. Luckily, I didn't get very wet, but my brother did. He didn't mind though. It was a hot day.
Okay guys, Fahad, number 5. What ride does he usually go on? What ride does he usually go on? Our favorite is usually the roller coaster. Our favorite ride is usually the roller coaster. So what ride does he usually go on? The roller coaster. Okay. Question number 6, which is the last question. What happened to Fahad's brother? What happened to Fahad's brother? I didn't get very wet, but my brother did. So the answer is he got very wet. Okay. My dear guys, please let's move to the second part of this lesson, which is speak. Number 5, talking birds. Here you have to talking birds with your brother, with your friend. Do you go to fun fairs? If you said yes, you can say yes, I do. Do you go to fun fairs? Yes, I do. When do you usually go to fun fairs? I usually go there on Fridays or at the weekend. Another question. When did you last go to fun fair? I went there last week. This is a sentence in the past simple. What did you do there? I rode a lot of rides. Okay, what rides did you go on? I went on a roller coaster or bumper car. Did you like it? If you liked it, you can say yes, I did. But if you didn't like it, you can say no, I didn't. Okay guys, please, all of you, my dear guys, please, I want you to go to your workbook, page 103. This is the last part of our lesson today. We will have some more exercises on the lesson. Okay guys, please go to page 103 and 104. Okay guys, here exercise number C on page 103. Circle the correct words. Number 1, A speaks to B. What time did, does. Here when you give, when the choices are did or does, you can say that the choice is between the present simple and the past simple. So we will complete reading the question until the end. What time does the basketball game finish last night? Last night. We have to pay attention to this word, please. Last night. So what will we choose? Did Past simple does present simple, but here we have last night. Who can say? Yes, very good, excellent. What time did the basketball game finish last night? Because here the tense is past simple. And the answer is it finishes or finished at 11 o'clock. If the question was past simple, the answer will be past simple. So we will choose finished. Yes, very good. Number 2, Rick visits or visited. As I said to you, visits here present simple. Visited, past simple. So we have to complete reading the sentence to know if the sentence is present simple or past simple. This is a comparison between the past simple and the present simple. So you have to learn the first part exactly as I explained it to you. Rick visited a different country every summer. What will we choose? Yes, very good, visits. So this is present simple. In 2007, complete the sentence. In 2007, in plus past year, he goes or went to Saudi Arabia. Goes or went, and the sentence starts with in 2007. This is a past year. So very good. He went to Saudi Arabia. Number 3, we watched a documentary about elephants last Friday. Last Friday. Here is the keyword for what? Present simple or past simple? Who can say? Yes, very good. Last Friday is a keyword for the past simple. So we will choose we watched it. Yes, very good. Number 4, did or do? This is a question. Did or do you always go shopping at the weekend? At the weekend. So we will choose what? Do. Very good, because this is a present simple sentence. No, I. The question with do. So we can answer no, I don't. I like staying at home. Sentence number 5. Eric usually plays baseball after school. After school. Eric usually plays. Very good. This is present simple. But yesterday, he played basketball. Number 6. Please mark the answer with me and concentrate with me. Number 6. We bought 2 tickets for the fundraiser yesterday evening. The sentence here contains yesterday. So this is past simple. We will choose buy or bought. Bought. Very good. The last sentence in this exercise, number 3. Vic decides or decided to go to an island last summer. Last summer. So this is past simple. I think you have learned the past simple and present simple, and we have got a lot of exercises on it. Decided, past simple. He has or had great fun. He had. Okay, guys, please, my dear students, let's move to the last part of our lesson today on page 104, which is this exercise number D. Look at the table below and write sentence. You have to practice writing, please. About what Tom usually does and what he did yesterday. When I say what Tom usually does, this is present simple. What he did yesterday, this is past simple, as in the example. Here you have a table. Start with usually, yesterday. Usually, here the sentence will be on the present simple. Yesterday, the sentence will be on past simple. Get up at 8. Get up at 10. How can we form 2 sentences? Yes, very good. The first one is done for you. Tom usually gets up at 8, but yesterday he got up at 10. This is the first sentence. The second sentence, go to school, go to the fun fair. Who can say this sentence? The first one about present simple. I can say Tom usually go or goes? Goes, because present simple. Tom usually goes to school, but yesterday he went to the fun fair. Yes, very good. The third sentence, have lunch at home, have lunch at a fast food restaurant. Very good. Tom usually has present simple lunch at home, but yesterday he had lunch at a fast food restaurant. Okay, sentence number 4. Do his homework after lunch. Send emails to friends. This is yesterday. Okay, the sentence will be Tom usually does present simple. Tom usually does his homework after lunch, but yesterday he sent emails to friends. Okay, guys, the last sentence, hang out with friends in the evening, visit his grandmother. Okay, Tom usually hangs, present simple. Tom usually hangs out with friends in the evening, but yesterday he visited his grandmother. So you will have to write these sentences on the present simple and the past simple, please, guys. And you will have homework. This exercise number E on page 104 is homework for you. Homework. At the end of this lesson, I thank you very much for your good listening and hope you good luck. Thank you. Goodbye, my dear students.